So the 60 Plus Active Leisure Scheme is a Sport Wales funded programme that we deliver here in Cardiff. So we work closely with a number of partners to provide opportunities for older people to be more physically active across the city. We work closely with Better GLL to provide opportunities within the leisure centres, and we also work with a range of community partners such as Pedal Power to provide opportunities close to people's communities.
So as part of the cycling and the 60 Plus programme, we've got 3 different courses we offer. There's Learn to Ride or Relearn to Ride for people who have either never ridden a bike or haven't ridden a bike for many decades. And then we've got confidence building, so people who can ride a bike but maybe a little bit wobbly, they want to practice gears, cornering in a safe group environment. And the final one is a wellbeing ride where we go out and explore the park on bikes or trikes and just enjoy the fresh air and scenery. So it's been great seeing the improvement of all the people who've attended the courses so far. Some of them haven't ridden a bike for many decades. I think my record is 1958 for the last time the lady was on a bike. And they gain in confidence every week, and you can just see them riding around the park with more confidence and turning corners. And to see people who've never ridden a bike learning in their 60s or even 70s is quite something to see.
I began attending the course because I've always wanted to go back on the cycle. I loved cycling as a child. So then somebody mentioned Pedal Power to me and that they were doing confidence building courses, and I just quickly emailed Hilary and joined the course.
I think the course helped in improving my physical fitness, because when you come and you have simple steps to follow, that will increase your confidence to go out, and I love going out in the bar and be able to cycle, and that's helped me a lot.
For me, it's much more than just cycling. It's about general well-being and socialising, and it's just an incredible opportunity.
If you are interested in finding out more about our 60 Plus opportunities or just want to give something a go, then visit our website or come down to one of our local providers.